Well, you might be wondering, what is this again? Well, let's call this plantain and potato porridge. I absolutely had no idea of what I was preparing this day, but I had all of these ingredients and I thought, let's do something, right? So I had my boiling water, added salt, onions, all spices, seasoning powder, curry, thyme, cinnamon, garlic powder. I actually just love plenty spices in case you're wondering. I'm adding grounded pepper, crayfish powder, and this is beef, momo, and dried fish. I added like 2 types of dried fish, and I added beef seasoning also. It's boiled, and I added my sweet potato, then I stirred it up, covered it to boil also, and then I'm adding plantain now. Stirred it up, and this is crayfish because crayfish is important, right? So palm oil, covered that to boil. You need it to boil very well, right? Now it's cooked, like totally cooked. So I added scent leaf just to give it an extra spice. I left that to boil, and this is what we have. This is what it's so yummy, and it came out nicely. The taste was amazing. So smoked catfish and stew to go. Of course, let's just go to the village, right? Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.